The Divine Mother Maa DhumaVati guides sincere devotees toward the realization of their true nature, pure, simple, and free. By the divine blessings of Maa DhumaVati, sincere devotees overcome entanglement with worldly illusion. Worldly accomplishments and accumulations lose significance, like sand slipping through the palms of the hand, returning sincere devotees to a state of awe, freedom, and enduring calm, an effortless remembrance of who they have always been, stripped of external validations that are false, fleeting, and impermanent. The Divine Mother Maa DhumaVati blesses the sincere devotees to return to the bare essential, akin to the unchanging sky, established in their true nature, pure, simple, and free. Om Maa DhumaVatir Jai.